Hello guys, good morning. It's already 8 AM in the morning and we are still currently in Panglao. But as of now, we have to leave Panglao and we are going straight to Bohol na, I mean sa Tagbilaran, and probably hire someone na mag-take us to a Bohol tour. So now, here we are already prepared for our departure and on the way namin outside to grab some van to go to Tagbilaran. So probably at Tagbilaran we will hire someone who will take us to a Bohol tour. Supposedly 2 nights ang among booking but we canceled the second night. It's because we have to go back to Bohol now. And naka-deposit may 1,000. So 1,000 ang muna bayaran. Supposedly na pa may change na 150 but it's fine. Dito na lang to siya.
A few moments later.
Ano ko nakamatasot?
Ha?
Alisin ko.
Ikaw?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We just found a good deal. Naka-hire may taxi which is nag-offer siya 400 na pauli sa Bohol but nahangyo na mo siya 1,500. That's from Panglao to Bohol and then na may tour around Bohol. So i-visit na mo ang katong mga tourist spots like Chocolate Hills, Bohol, Tarsier, Lubok River. Pero tanan ako marag-dili may mag-lunch sa Lubok. So cute. Ano na kaya lupas-pas kay Mulakaw. Ayun, di ba din si Kuya Virgilio. Siya nga mo ang driver and we were expecting na taxi siya but namin sa Hyundai Accent karon. Very beautiful car. Yan. Virgilio. So i-refer na si Kuya.
Hari mo pagkatangan ha. Kanang loading and loading.
Yes, it's already 11 AM and we are already here sa Chocolate Hills na lookout and we have to climb about hingan ni kataas nga stairs. Hanga kang siya sa kaon. And anyway, wala sa kanali. Okay, that's enough for the Chocolate Hills and we are going down. Totz. Wow. Okay ba?
So large. Ruby rice na siya. Okay ba? Kaya kung balon.
Souvenir shops.
Ano yun?
Finally, we arrived here sa man-made forest. So, umuo din siya yung tawag na sikat na man-made forest dito sa Bohol. Dapat dira ako sa ito nga.
Okay lang. Mamag-hiwag.
If you would ask me, I think hindi na siya naka-interesting, pero while looking from here, pag makita nimo ang kanisang area banda, medyo gwapo gid siya tan-awon. Yun.
Dito ka, ikaw na ko picture.
Tagas ang kaning mga picturean daw ko nito. So here we go. We are going back to our vehicle kay Kuya Virgilio. We are going back because we are heading to Tarsier.